Okay, that was the first attempt by Shrivers doing the fastest mirror writing, 160 characters, and he did it in a time of 3 minutes 21 seconds. He will be attempting a second time, and we will take the fastest of both times. His written papers, and I'll be checking later. And right now he's attempting a second record for the fastest mirror image writing. And his first attempt was 3 minutes 21 seconds, and now we are giving him a chance to do his second attempt. Well, the second attempt is faster. The second attempt is 2 minutes 49 seconds, but again, we are not sure whether this will go to the Singapore port. Ladies and gentlemen, earlier you have seen our master Shrivers Augury. He attempted 2 Singapore records. Okay, let's have him to come forward here to join me on the stage. Okay, earlier he took 20 over minutes to write 725 digits, but the name of the record is called Youngest to Recall More Than 700 Digits of Pi, and he succeeded with every of the 700 over digits all correct. Okay, and I'm going to let him hold this certificate first, and after that, he attempted the second record for the fastest mirror writing. It is a text maker of 126 characters, 160 characters if you count the spaces and the punctuations, and he finished it in 170 seconds. So, ladies and gentlemen, the fastest mirror writing person in Singapore, Shrivers. Music. Okay, look at the
Can I see a few words, please?
Yes, sure.
First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Ong from the Singapore Book of Records for encouraging me to reach this far. Initially, I wanted to do 100 digits of pi, but he told me to do more. No, not really. Encourage me to set a higher goal. So in the end, I managed to learn 725. Next, I would like to thank Miss Gunjan and the organizers for giving me the opportunity to perform in this event. Thank you so much. And the most important person of all, the one who made it all happen, my dear mother. Love you, Mama.
He is Balguri Shrivats. He is 11 years and 6 months and he's been announced to be the youngest to recall more than 700 digits of pi. And he is also recognized in Singapore Book of Records for fastest mirror writing of 122 character text in 170 seconds at C Expo 2019 on 13 September 2019, Suntec City. Isn't it amazing? He is a very talented child and have been seeing him grown up. Feels proud to say that Balguri Shrivats has reached the stage. Would like to know what inspired you to do this Singapore Book of Records and what makes you do this fastest mirror writing. That's very interesting. Would like to know something about it.
So there's this book of history of Leonardo da Vinci, who painted the famous painting, the Mona Lisa. Apparently one of the facts is that he used to write his secrets in mirror writing so that people have a hard time figuring out what it is. I took inspiration from that and then I started to write some of my secrets, my notes in mirror writing until I got the hang of it and I competed here to get the record.
Also, this 700 digits of pi, I don't even know one digit of it, I'm sorry. But would like to know, how do you recall this? What do you do in a day routine so you get to recall all this and it goes so faster? Wanted to know about it.
So like some children like me, we try to make learning fun. That's what some parents do. So for some people you'll see just numbers, random numbers and you'll get confused already. Well, I'll just make a story of it and it'll be quite absurd in such a way that I can remember it.
That's nice. When you do a story thought and then you get this, it's very interesting. Really inspiring me now. Thank you, Balguri. But I also want to know who is behind your inspiration in your family. Like your father, mother, your mother. Okay. He gives this credit to his mother for all the inspiration and support he is getting. I think we should not let father also leave that. I think father also should get the credit, isn't it? Yes. Okay, Balguri, one last question for you, one quick one. What do you want to become as you grow? Do you want to break records like this, or do you have any other aims?
I want to be an aerospace engineer.
Balguri, yeah, we would like to see you as an aerospace engineer and also break records, not only in Singapore Book of Records, Guinness World of Records and Limca World of Records too. So give him a round of applause, everybody. He is having such a great achievement here. Thank you and congratulations, Shrivats, and your proud parents too. Thank you.